John chapter 4, verse 24. Verily, verily, I say unto you, he that heareth my word and believeth on him that sent me hath everlasting life, and shall not come into condemnation, but is passed from death unto life. God is the giver of everlasting life. Jesus said, whoever believes in me will not perish, but have everlasting life. Everlasting life is eternal. It is eternity past and future. Those who believe in Christ will never feel like they never knew him. When they get to heaven, they will feel like they have known him forever.